Okay, so we are connecting first time. So it would be better if we start our conversation with a little introduction. So would you like to
Of course,
introduce
sir.
yourself?
Of course, of course, of course. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for asking about myself. My name is Varun, and I am from West Bengal. Now I'm a student. I'm studying college. I'm studying BSc in Physics honors, and after that, actually, now I'm learning this language. So yeah, that's all about me. Please say
Oh,
something about yourself.
yeah, why not? Sure. My name is Vivek Kumar and I am from UP, district Bijnor. And by profession, I am a teacher. But I teach English in a Hindi medium school. And
Okay.
nowadays, I am focusing on spoken English. That's all about me.
Oh. Okay. So actually, you teach spoken English.
No. I teach English subject, English course in a Hindi medium school.
Okay. 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 Okay.
But
Okay. Got
nowadays,
it.
I am focusing on spoken English.
Okay, sir. So you have done your graduation in English literature.
Yes. But yeah,
Okay. After that, you have done MA in English.
yes.
Okay. Great. So now you are learning this language.
Hmm. What's
Okay. So
happening?
sir, first questions I want to ask: why you are learning this language? What's the reason behind it?
Yeah, you are right. You know, when I started teaching in 2009, at that time,
Hmm.
we did not have the atmosphere of English as we have nowadays.
Yeah. Right.
And the use of English is increasing day by day.
Yeah.
And I have two kids at my home. I am the father of two kids, and
Hmm.
that's why I am learning English for my own children as well as my
Oh.
students.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You
You are
know,
running a YouTube channel.
yeah, last month I started a YouTube channel.
Okay.
So have you watched my video?
No, sir. Actually, I'm nowadays. Actually, I don't use social media very much. But in this time, actually, I'm running a YouTube channel, so that's why sometimes I invest on YouTube.
Okay, good. When did you
Yeah.
start your channel?
Yeah. Actually, when I was first year, actually, in this time, I'm third year. I'm studying third
Okay.
year. So when I was first year, that time I started, but that time actually I was not consistent. So that's why nowadays actually I want to try to consistent because
Okay.
now actually I'm learning this language. So that's why.
So right now you are in jungle.
Yeah, you can say actually I am from a village. So
Yeah. I am also from village area.
okay, you're from
You
Uttar
are
Pradesh.
from village area and I am also from village area. It means we are same.
Yeah. Okay,
And
so what type of?
you know
Mhm.
very well that there is no atmosphere of English in village area.
Yes,
It's,
right.
it's so difficult to speak
Really?
this language.
Yeah, really. That's why actually you are here.
Yes. I agree with you.
Okay, sir. So I want to ask some questions.
Mhm.
When you get free time, that time what kind of practice you do for your English speaking?
Yeah, when I get time, I mean to say when I remain free, I use an application named in S Fluency.
Oh yeah, I heard about.
Audio calling.
Mm-hmm.
And I have one more application. Its name is CV application.
CB application. Okay, it's a audio calling.
Yeah, both are audio calling.
Okay. Okay, so sir, where did you get this application?
Which application?
This application, Skype.
Skype. You can say
Yeah,
that for YouTube.
I also.
And this application provides us video calling.
Yeah. It's a very good
Let me
feature.
tell you something. When I started recording video calling, At that time, I was recording a video, not video calling. I was recording a video by camera. So when I
Mhm.
started recording, then I said in first sentence, my name is. Then I forgot my name because at that time I was facing the camera first time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then I
Really.
thought, then I thought it's too difficult to face the camera.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
forgot my name.
Really, really. It's a very challenging.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Okay, so
since
sir.
when I have been using this application, the hesitation of my hesitation is removing by itself.
Yeah, yeah. Gradually, it will be removed.
Hmm. You are right.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
So
so sir.
your face not coming here clearly.
Sorry.
Your face is not coming here clearly.
Okay, I think it's a network problem. Wait.
Is my face clear?
Yeah, yeah. You're clear now.
Yeah. It is better.
Okay.
It is better than earlier.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so sir, actually, why did you start your YouTube channel?
Yeah. In order to get fluency, in order to polish my English.
Okay. So, sir, you upload only like this type of conversation or
Yeah. Yeah. Nowadays, I am
okay,
uploading such type of videos right now as we are talking. And sometimes
okay,
I upload a short video. I write some sentences, then I upload that video.
okay, great. Okay, sir, if I want to improve my confidence or if I want to improve my English speaking, so how to improve and what kind of practice I should do every day? What's your opinion?
No, no, you are speaking well. You need
Yes, sir,
practice
thanks, thanks, sir.
as we
Yeah,
are
all
practicing now. As we are practicing now, such type of things we need. You and I also.
okay. Okay, sir, please say.
Hmm?
Yeah, say what kind of practice we should do every day.
Yeah, whenever you get time, so that time you should utilize in speaking English. Suppose you
Okay.
are suppose you are at your home and you are alone and you don't have any work to do. At that time, take any random thing and speak something about that thing.
Yeah, yeah. Right, right. Okay.
So we should
Okay, sir. And hello.
am I visible?
Yeah, yeah. Now you're visible, but sometimes your voice is not clear actually.
Okay, what's happening? Is it okay now?
Yeah, yeah. Right now you're okay. Okay, sir. I have some questions related English. Can I ask?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so actually, if anyone wants to learn this language, so grammar is important. If grammar is important, so what kind of grammar is important for English speaking?
Yeah, in my opinion, basic knowledge of grammar, like little knowledge of tenses and
Mhm.
modals and some verbs also. No,
Okay,
no need to read whole grammar
okay, okay,
and practice.
okay. Yeah, practice
Practice
is very
makes,
important.
yeah, yeah. So, you know, it's been around 15 years to me teaching this subject. But in
Oh,
15 years, I never got the chance to speak in English. But
oh,
for 3 months, I have been working to grab this
yeah.
language properly.
It means practice is very important.
Very, very important. Very important.
Yes, sir. If anyone wants to learn this language, so how many days they should invest, and then they can speak English? What's your opinion?
Yeah, dear, in my opinion, it takes too much time.
Mhm.
It's not a cup of tea. It
Yeah,
takes
yeah,
so much
right.
time, and it
Mhm.
depends on the learner also. How much
Mhm, yeah,
time is he or she giving?
yeah, yeah. Okay.
And in my opinion, atmosphere, environment plays
Yeah,
very
right, right.
important role.
Mhm. Yeah.
Suppose you are living in the area where English is spoken. At that time, everyone who is living there, whether he belongs to Hindi medium or Gujarati medium, but now he is living in in such type of area where English is spoken. So he will take not so much time. He will learn easily.
Yeah, yeah, right, right, right.
So atmosphere plays an important role.
Okay. Okay, great. Okay, so actually, if anyone wants to learn from YouTube, it will be possible to learn this language from YouTube.
So, yeah, dear. So many people have learned so far. So many people,
Mhm, yeah, yeah,
but but they are consistent.
yeah, yeah, yeah. If we want to learn from YouTube, so what kind of problem we face and what kind of things we should avoid while YouTube learning from YouTube?
Yeah, suppose we have watched around 5 sentences or 10 sentences from YouTube. Then,
Mhm,
after watching the video, we should utilize, we should use those sentences at our home.
mhm.
Whenever we get time, then we should speak those sentences. Suppose we don't
Okay.
have, suppose we don't have any partner to talk, then we can use those sentences by themselves.
Mhm, yeah, yeah, right, right.
Like nowadays, every person has a mobile and start recording and start speaking in front of the camera. What
Mhm.
have you learned from the YouTube?
Okay. Okay, so I said lots of questions. If you have any questions, so you can ask.
Okay, right now I don't have any question. No,
Okay. So, sir, after this call, what will you do? Again, we connect or any other things you want to do?
no. I have some work. I have to go to my khet because I do farming
Okay.
also.
Okay, it's a very good.
Because I am 40 years old, 40,
Oh.
and I have so many responsibilities on my shoulder of my family. So I have to do all the works.
Mhm, yeah, yeah.
And nowadays, I am working hard to learn this language, to grab this language for my own children.
Okay. So
Let's
you
see what happens.
speak. Okay, so you speak with your children in English.
Yeah. I talk to my daughter in English. She is
Okay, it's a
13
very
years old.
good.
She is 13 years old. She studies in ninth class.
Oh,
But
okay.
but she studies in Hindi medium school.
Hindi medium school.
But
Okay.
I teach her at home.
Okay. So, sir, you teach a private school or government school?
No, private. I am a private teacher.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So, sir, I think I don't have any questions. So, if you have any questions, so you can ask.
But
Otherwise,
but
mm,
but it was a nice conversation.
okay, nice to talk to you, and we will talk again.
Yeah. We will talk again. Definitely. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.